Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting comparison between two of the most popular luxury crossover SUVs in the market, the 2024 BMW X5 and the 2024 Lexus RX. These vehicles have dominated the mid-size luxury SUV segment for years, and we're here to help you decide which one is right for you. Let's dive in. Price and value. First up, let's talk about price and value. The 2024 BMW X5 offers 5 variants, starting with the S-Drive 40i at $66,195 and going all the way up to the X5 M competition at over $120,000. The base model is rear-wheel drive, while the rest come with all-wheel drive as standard. On the other hand, the 2024 Lexus RX offers a wider range of trims and powertrains, with the base RX 350 starting at $49,950 for front-wheel drive and $51,550 for all-wheel drive. The highest-priced plug-in hybrid, the RX 450h Plus, begins at $70,580. Clearly, the Lexus RX provides more affordable entry-level options compared to the BMW X5. Reliability and quality. When it comes to reliability and quality, both vehicles shine. The BMW X5 ranks third in its segment in both the J.D. Power 2024 Vehicle Dependability Study and the 2023 Initial Quality Study. It comes with a 4-year or 50,000 miles standard warranty and complimentary scheduled maintenance for 3 years or 36,000 miles. The Lexus RX, however, tops the mid-size premium SUV segment in the 2024 Vehicle Dependability Study and offers a longer powertrain warranty of 6 years or 70,000 miles, along with a more extensive hybrid components warranty of 8 years or 100,000 miles. Both SUVs offer 4 years of roadside assistance with unlimited miles. Performance and efficiency. Performance and efficiency are key differentiators. The BMW X5 offers a range of powertrains, from a turbocharged 3-liter inline 6-cylinder engine with mild hybrid technology to a powerful 4.4-liter twin-turbo V8 in the M60i. The plug-in hybrid X-Drive 50e delivers 483 horsepower and an estimated 40 miles of electric-only range. The Lexus RX offers a turbocharged, 2.4-liter 4-cylinder engine and 3 hybrid options, including the high-performing RX 500h with 366 horsepower. The RX 450h Plus plug-in hybrid provides a combined 304 horsepower and an EPA estimated 37-mile electric-only range. While the RX hybrids excel in fuel efficiency, the X5 offers more raw power, especially in its higher trims. Safety and driving assistance. Safety is paramount, and both vehicles come equipped with advanced driver assistance systems. The BMW X5 features the Active Driving Assistant, and an optional highway assistant for semi-autonomous driving on highways. It also includes Parking Assistant Professional for automated parking maneuvers. The Lexus RX comes with the Lexus Safety System Plus 3, which includes unique features like Proactive Driving Assist and Risk Avoidance Emergency Steer Assist. The RX has earned the EASE Top Safety Pick Plus rating, making it a top choice for safety-conscious buyers. Infotainment and technology. Infotainment and technology are also crucial. The BMW X5 boasts the latest iDrive 8 system with a 12.3-inch driver display and a 14.9-inch center touchscreen. It supports gesture control, voice commands, and a 5G Wi-Fi hotspot. The Lexus RX features a standard 9.8-inch touchscreen, with an optional 14-inch screen that's user-friendly and smartphone-like. It supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, and includes a 3-year trial of the Direct Connect suite for connected services. Comfort and utility. Comfort and utility are where these SUVs shine. The BMW X5 offers a spacious interior with luxurious options like merino leather seats and an ambient light bar with 15 colors. It provides 33.9 cubic feet of cargo space with all seats up, expanding to 72.3 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. The Lexus RX, while slightly smaller, offers a versatile 40/20/40 split folding rear seat and a range of interior finishes. It has 29.6 cubic feet of cargo space, expanding to 46.2 cubic feet with the rear seats folded. Both vehicles offer excellent comfort, but the X5 provides a bit more cargo space. So, which one is right for you? If you value raw power, advanced technology, and a bit more cargo space, the 2024 BMW X5 might be your ideal choice. But if you prefer a more affordable entry price, superior fuel efficiency with hybrid options, and top-notch safety features, the 2024 Lexus RX is a fantastic option. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel for more car comparisons and reviews. Let us know in the comments which SUV you prefer and why. Until next time, drive safe and take care.